Hi guys, welcome to Misty's Mask Monday. This is going to be the one for September 9th. As I've stated before, I've had to pre-film a couple of them. On the 9th I have a procedure scheduled, so I wouldn't be able to do one, and I don't want to try and do it the next day because then it might not happen. Anyway, I am going to be doing this Mask Monday with Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. It's a concentrated recovery power foil mask. A friend of mine gave me this to try. She swears by it. I looked it up on the Estee Lauder website. It is $84 for 4 masks. It says, like, here's the details. Starting tonight, reset the look of your skin after the visible assaults of modern life with this innovative weekly treatment mask. Instantly, skin looks skin looks fresher, renewed. It's got 2 times the hyaluronic acid. Each treatment delivers a surge of liquid revitalization, immersing skin in a double dose of advanced night repair serums, powerful moisture magnet. All right, so its benefits: it's a innovative mask with exclusive repair technology, and it's ideal for moisturizing the skin, immediate glow. And then how to use: they say to do it at night. It's a night mask. Apply on clean skin once a week at night. Remove mask. Carefully unfold and apply bottom half first. I have to remember that. Then the top half. Leave on for 10 minutes, then remove mask and gently massage in any remaining liquid. So yeah, we'll try it. So here we go. We're going to rip open this thing. Ooh. Aha. I remembered it this time. Okay. I don't think I need the instructions anymore. There we go. I feel like I'm putting Reynolds on my face. Okay, well, I'm going to assume that this is the lip part. Yeah, it would look like it, huh? Unless I was a cyclops. Oh, don't I have to peel anything off? Interesting. Okay. All right, we're just gonna go with it like this. Oh, it's cooling. I don't want it so far up my nostril. I don't want it so close to my lip. I'm picky. Oh, come on. I don't know. The lighting. You'll have to excuse it. Okay. And then let me grab the top half. All right, I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes and then I will be back. Okay guys, it has been 10 minutes. I will say that during the duration of this, it did feel a little warming, which would make sense because, I mean, we cook with foil and we try to keep the heat in, so. Oh, my face feels like it's free. Oh. Okay. I look extremely hydrated. Get out of that. Sorry, dog. My face feels really soft. So, this is what I'll be going to bed here soon. I got a long day tomorrow. So tomorrow when I wake up, I'll hop on real quick and then let you know if my face looks any different than it normally does. All right, I will see you in the morning, totally different looking. Good morning, guys. So I am doing a check-in this morning. I used the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Power Foil Mask last night, and this morning my skin does feel a little bit more firm. I also think that it made my skin a little bit more bright. So that's my 2 cents. Again, these are my opinions, and what works for me may not be what works for you. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and then that bell notification, and YouTube may or may not let you know when I upload a new video. Anyway, bye guys.